Urban Gardening 2025. How Small Spaces Grow Big Harvests. In 2025, the urban gardening movement is no longer just a niche hobby. It's a global necessity. With climate change reshaping weather patterns and food supply chains becoming more volatile, people in cities around the world are reclaiming control by turning balconies, rooftops, and even indoor corners into lush, productive gardens. Urban gardening today blends tradition with technology, and anyone with a bit of space and curiosity can participate. In this episode, we'll explore how to set up a small space vegetable garden, what crops are trending this year, the tools and innovations making it easier than ever, and how this movement is transforming cities socially and ecologically. The foundation of a successful urban garden in 2025 starts with a container setup. From stackable planters to self-watering pots, the market is flooded with space-saving designs that fit windowsills, fire escapes, or tight balconies. Soil quality remains vital, but soilless options are gaining traction. Coco coir, compost pellets, and hydroponic pods offer clean, efficient alternatives. Gardeners now prefer compostable grow bags that biodegrade at the end of the season. A critical early decision is sunlight assessment. Tools like mobile apps that map sun exposure help gardeners position their containers for optimal growth. For those with limited sun, LED grow lights have become cheaper, more powerful, and energy efficient, allowing leafy greens to thrive indoors. When it comes to what to plant, the keyword in 2025 is resilience. People want fast-growing, nutrient-dense vegetables that can handle variable conditions. Microgreens, cherry tomatoes, radishes, dwarf peppers, and compact eggplants top the list. But there's also a surge in interest for native edible plants, vegetables adapted to local climates that require less water and care. Companion planting has made a comeback, boosted by AI-powered gardening apps that suggest ideal plant pairings to maximize yield and minimize pests. Herbs like basil, thyme, and mint are staples, not only for their culinary value, but also for their pest-repelling properties. Many urban gardeners have adopted crop rotation charts that fit even a dozen small pots, ensuring sustainable soil health year-round. Tools and technology have radically changed how people engage with their gardens. Smart sensors that monitor soil moisture, pH, and temperature can now connect directly to mobile devices, alerting users when to water or feed their plants. Subscription boxes deliver organic seeds, fertilizers, and instructions tailored to a user's environment. The use of vertical garden kits with built-in irrigation systems is widespread, turning plain walls into food-producing systems. Additionally, community-based garden networks share real-time updates, troubleshoot problems collectively, and coordinate crop swaths. DIY culture still thrives, with people building trellises from recycled materials or designing custom plant markers via 3D printing. All this enables even busy individuals to maintain productive gardens with minimal effort. Beyond individual benefits, urban gardening is reshaping cities. Rooftop vegetable gardens are part of building codes in some urban areas, helping to insulate buildings and manage rainwater runoff. School curricula now include garden modules to teach kids about ecology, nutrition, and climate resilience. Socially, these small gardens spark conversations, forge new relationships, and create local economies based on seed sharing and produce exchanges. They're also a quiet revolution against industrial agriculture, empowering citizens to eat fresh, hyperlocal food with a much smaller carbon footprint. In many cities, you can now follow digital maps of urban gardens, identifying neighborhoods by the crops they grow and the traditions they uphold. The message is clear. Gardens, no matter how small, are shaping a greener, more connected future.